This is an impromptu mukbang. I have noodles and boiled eggs. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about, if I'm gonna talk about anything. But hey y'all. And I got my crystal light. This is what is it? It is fruit punch and strawberry watermelon. Fruit punch and strawberry watermelon, yeah. So I'm just gonna eat my noodles and my eggs. Y'all, we're right now we're 41 subscribers away from 1K. 1K giveaway. It's gonna be litty, litty, litty. Hello to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. If y'all don't know yet, my name is Tasha. That's Tashia. I really don't like to eat noodles on camera. Only because I be thinking I'm going to choke. Y'all know I got a fear of choking. Because I choked before. It's not funny, but I choked a couple of... I choked off a plum before. A plum seed. And popcorn kernels. It's good. Look at that egg, y'all. Look at that egg. Let me know if y'all eat noodles with eggs. It's so good. It's the only way to do it now. I only eat them with eggs now. Whew. I'm so glad I was introduced into the mukbang community because never would I thought back in the day I would be eating noodles with eggs. Hey, Nosy. My cat Nosy. Yes, his name is Nosy. So good. Crystal Light is so refreshing. Oh, y'all. Shout out to Prissy P and her husband, Ray Sean. I won their giveaway. They hit 70K. So they had a giveaway. They gave $100 to 5 people. And I was one of the winners. So I won $100. Yes, I did. As they say, $100. Yeah. So I won $100. I'm so grateful. They really made my day, my night. That was such a blessing. I was so overjoyed. And I just had a feeling that I was going to win. I was going to watch anyway. Like, I'm always watching their stuff. So I was going to tune in anyway. And as I was tuning in, I was like, I think I'm going to win. I think I'm one of the winners. And lo and behold, I saw that piece of paper. I saw Love Being Tosh. I was like, yes. And they just was thanking us, all our subscribers, thanking our loyal subscribers, thanking me that I've been there from day one. And I have. Yeah, I haven't missed a video from her channel, her and her husband channel, her mother's channel. So, yeah, I'm a loyal subscriber, and I ride hard for them. And I cannot wait to see them July 18th at the meet and greet, the Epic Empire. I don't know if y'all know, but this is one of my favorite nightgowns. I'm thinking y'all just saw this nightgown in a couple of videos. It's nice and cool and comfy and relaxed. My tea, I got water on for my tea. I put it on low because it already started whistling. But I figured I'd just sit and talk with y'all. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to them yet, subscribe to them. The PR Gang, Prissy P channel. If y'all don't know who Prissy P is, y'all been living under a rock. She's so sweet, funny, hilarious. Yeah, and she have great content. And she always do some good challenges and stuff. So, and not only did I win a giveaway, the $100 in a separate video, they did a thank you to their subscribers and they shouted me out again. So I just love them. I mean, you just know genuine people, and I just know that they're genuine, even though I haven't met them in person. But they seem like people that would be in my family, like somebody I know, like a friend or family that I would have. So down to earth. Yeah. So. Real recognize real. So good. But I'm so excited for this meet and greet. It's in Atlanta, and it's July 18th. And I have everything set. I have my airfare, my Airbnb, everything, car, parking, everything is set. I can't wait. And not only can I wait to meet them, I can't wait to meet the Epic Empire and everybody that's going to be there. And I know it's going to be a lot of YouTubers there that I probably know from watching, basically. So I can't wait to meet everybody and have a good time. A little bit like this is so fulfilling. Y'all can't even see it really. But I put a lot of pepper. I got garlic powder, pepper, lemon pepper, and soy sauce. It's so good. The other day I put turmeric. Sometimes I put turmeric in my noodles. We got a big thing of turmeric and we barely use it. So I was like, I'll be putting it in my noodles because, you know, it's good for inflammation. And y'all know my whole knee situation. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes it don't, but it's nothing like how it was. But it's really good for inflammation, and it really worked. Because that day it was acting up, and I put some in my noodles, went away. No lie. This is so good. Nice and filling. All I had today to eat was bacon and eggs, an orange and a banana, and that was like 9 or 10 hours ago. So I mean, I had like candy and a coffee cake too, like throughout the day, like snacks. But for food, all I had was bacon and eggs. And I do that a lot. I can just be watching TV or just let the day go by and don't eat anything but like once a day. And then just have my snacks. And that's mainly because I usually start my day off with a smoothie. But today I didn't. I ended up just having the bacon and eggs. But usually when I have a smoothie, I'll wait for like maybe 2 to 3 or maybe 4 hours. Then I'll have something to eat. But I'm good for that. And then I have days when I be hungry and want every damn thing. Some days I can just eat once a day. You know. Alright, we're down to the pot liquor. I'm not going to drink the pot liquor today, but I'll take a little sip of some of it. Yes, anything that's juice, a broth that's left in from noodles or whatever, we call it pot liquor, me and my family. I was raised calling it pot liquor. Let me know if y'all ever heard of that. So this is the pot liquor. I just love pepper. I can just taste that pepper, clear up my sinuses. And I'll drink this any day, but try to get me to drink the milk after I eat cereal. Not gonna happen. Yuck. But I guess that's the end of this video. I guess I just wanted to talk to y'all. Any excuse to talk to my fashion dolls, right? But I think that's all I had to say. We got some good videos coming up. I hope y'all enjoy them. We got good content coming out that y'all probably be seeing before y'all see this video. Some boring content too that I think is boring, but we'll see if y'all like it. But we got a couple good things that I'm excited about. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. If y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see my noodles and my boiled eggs, and so they can learn about pot liquor. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.